Alright, here with the double goal scorer, TEVIN Gray. Of St. Catherine. Right, first of all, congrats for making it to the semi-final. How are you feeling of a great game like that one?
Well, I'm feeling very elated at the moment, but we know we still got work to be done. We have a semi-final match coming up against Jamaican, we still need work, so we just got to do it.
What was the instruction from the coach coming into a game like this? You guys know that you needed a result. Obviously, all the teams going into the final, they could have made it to the semi-finals. What were the instructions from the coach to play this game today?
We came into the game to get a victory today, but obviously it didn't work. First, for my team, I was told to play in the half spaces and play ball to the wingers, and that's what I just did.
Alright, do you feel like your team, St. Catherine High, made this round? Obviously, you guys are one of the best teams in the competition. Do you think that you guys made this round a bit harder than you should have?
Yeah, I think we should have gotten that victory over Island on Tuesday, but it didn't happen, but we're still through to the semi-finals.
Is there any fear there? Obviously, they're a champion team, always there or thereabouts. How do you feel about an opponent like that in the semi-finals?
We don't fear anymore. We just come here to play ball, and that's what we're doing.
Alright, and send a message to the St. Catherine High supporters. Obviously, they're always at your guys' game. Send a message to all of your schoolmates and supporters watching this video.
Thank you very much for the continuous support, guys.
There we have it.